Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make pork rinds and green sauce. This is a super easy recipe and these are the ingredients. First, we heat up the pan. We add some oil. Once it's heated up, we can add the half cup of diced onion. After 3 minutes or so, we add the green sauce and we let it boil in medium-high. We also add a little bit of water. I like to use the same can. After the 3 minutes or so boiling, we add the pork rinds. And we stir everything with the sauce. And we just let it cook with the sauce for another 5 minutes on low heat. And we're done, guys. This is how it's supposed to look. Remember, you can always double up on this recipe if you want to. I like to serve them in tacos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy, guys.